Make sure your iOS device is updated to the latest iOS 18 version, and then open the Settings app on your device. From the Settings menu, select Accessibility. Swipe up to scroll down, and find Siri. Tap on it. At the top you will see the new update, Type to Siri. Simply tap the slider to enable this. Once this is enabled, hold down the side button or lock button on your iPhone to activate Siri. Once Siri appears, you will see a text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type your message or command into the text box. And Siri will respond accordingly. This feature is great for situations where you can't speak aloud but still want to use Siri. So in this way, you can activate and use Type to Siri in iOS 18.